Good evening and welcome to the news. Before we proceed further, we wish our viewers a very happy Independence Day. And now let us take a look at the headlines. India celebrates 78th Independence Day. Prime Minister Modi highlights national unity and progress. Meghalaya Chief Minister highlights progress and future goals on Independence Day. Shillong unveils new high-mast national flags. And Meghalaya awaits polio test results for child from Tikri Kila. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the 78th Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort today, paying tribute to martyrs and freedom fighters. In his address, he emphasized the contributions of various societal groups in the fight for freedom and expressed confidence that India will achieve Viksit Bharat by 2047 through collective effort. Modi praised the numerous citizen suggestions received for this vision and reaffirmed his government's commitment to national development with a focus on the nation-first policy.
मध्यम वर्ग के परिवार को क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ वो स्वाभाविक उसकी अपेक्षा रहती है। वो देश के लिए बहुत देता है, तो देश का भी दायित्व है कि उसकी जो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ पे जो उसकी अपेक्षाएं हैं, सरकार की कठिनाइयों से मुक्ति की उसकी जो अपेक्षाएं हैं, उसको पूर्ण करने के लिए हम निरंतर प्रयास करते हैं। और मैंने तो सपना देखा है कि 2047 जब विकसित भारत का सपना होगा, तो उसकी एक इकाई ये भी होगी कि सामान्य मानव के जीवन में सरकार की दखलें कम हो।
On India's 78th Independence Day, Meghalaya Chief Minister addressed the state honoring freedom fighters including Mahatma Gandhi and local heroes such as U Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Togan Sangma. Reflecting on the state's progress since 2018, he outlined the Mission 10 initiative aimed at elevating Meghalaya to a top-performing state within a decade. Emphasizing the Meghalaya 2032 vision inspired by the Prime Minister's Viksit Bharat goal, he aspires for Viksit Meghalaya to be a $100 billion economy by 2047 on the 75th anniversary of the statehood.
To the patriots from Meghalaya soil, U Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Togan Sangma. Occasions like this offer us a chance to reflect on the achievements of the past and renew our resolve for the future.
Southwest Garo Hills Ampati marked India's 78th Independence Day with a flag hoisting ceremony attended by Minister of Education Rakame Sangma and Border Area Development Office featuring a Rashtra salute. In Tura, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong was the chief guest at Macha Colgrey LP School playground where he hoisted the tricolour. Tinsong addressed the crowd, highlighting the government's assurance of 10 welfare guarantees aimed at equitable prosperity. He also noted that law and order in the state has been largely peaceful throughout the year.
Prosperity for the state. We have also assured 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitably distributed among all Meghalayans. Law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful and throughout the year.
West Khasi Hills District celebrated India's 78th Independence Day at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School in Nongstoin. Minister Paul Lingdot led the flag hoisting, followed by a Rashtriya salute and cultural performances. Awards were presented to St. Peter's Higher Secondary School for the best march past, and individual honours included Theresia Nongsiet as Best Asha Facilitator. In Maushan Road, MLA Methodist Kar led the celebrations at Riangdo Playground. In celebration of Independence Day, the Deputy Commissioner, in collaboration with the District Sports Office of Ribhoi District, organized a 7-kilometer run today. The event, which started at Lay-Bai Market in Dulongnar and concluded at the NSCA Indoor Stadium in Umlinkdat Nongpo, saw participation from over 200 individuals. Raja Brahma, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, served as the chief guest, flagging off the run alongside Bobby L. Nongbet, District Sports Officer of Ribhoi, and other dignitaries. Cash prizes were awarded to the winners of the marathon. East and West Khasi Hills District, along with other regions, celebrated India's 78th Independence Day with great enthusiasm at Dom Maulum, Pindeng Umyong Mairang. The event featured flag hoisting by MLA and State Minister Ba Kermen Shilla, with the presence of Deputy Commissioner Gideon Karmal Plang, District SP Maxwell B. Siem, and other officials. Highlights included the distribution of awards to athletes and ASHA workers, with prizes given for achievements in the Meghalaya Games and other competitions. The day was marked by cultural performances, including dances and songs by school children. West Giant Hills District celebrated India's 78th Independence Day with events in Jawai, Amlarem and Hima Shangpung. At Jerusalem Playground, Power Minister A.T. Mondal hoisted a flag and reviewed a parade. JNV Mukla Higher Secondary School won the top prize in the March past. Village health centers and facilities were honored for their contributions to health and family planning. The 78th Independence Day was celebrated in Nongpo, Ribhoi District, with Sports Minister Shakliar Wardri as a chief guest. The event featured a flag hoisting, a march past with 25 contingents, including St. Paul's High Secondary School band, and cultural performances by local schools. Honorees including contributors to self-help groups, village committees and athletes. The ceremony was attended by SP Ribhoi Jakpal Singh Dhanua and DC Ribhoi Abhilash Baranwa. Akashvani Shillong celebrated Independence Day with a flag hoisting by Deputy Director Engineering Shri Hamarlin Diengdo and a patriotic song performance by children. At NIFT NIFT Shillong, Director Shri Shankar Kumar Jha led a flag hoisting ceremony emphasizing independence, education and responsible living. Both events highlighted national pride and community engagement. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated 2 high-mast national flags at the Old Assembly Building in Shillong on Thursday. The flags installed at Kindai Lat include a 100-foot mast facing Kindai Lat and a 52.5-foot mast facing Vivanta, Meghalaya. This installation aims to enhance Shillong's aesthetic appeal and symbolize national pride. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Babies Critical Care Unit SNCU, NICU, MNCU at Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital in Shillong today. The new facility, the first of its kind in a government hospital in the state, is equipped to handle high-risk pregnancies and complex newborn care, including post-surgery and advanced phototherapy. The 30-bed unit was funded by PMGAY, MHIS, and includes advanced equipment supported by MMDSL. In his speech, Sangma emphasized the importance of both infrastructure and a human touch in healthcare and pledged continued support for the hospital.
Each one of us in every effort that we try to do and every work that we try to do. And that's, I think, the key to enjoying what you do and to making it meaningful for you and to be able to really lead a life with some kind of a strong purpose in front of you.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has introduced a phased initiative to appoint local tourist assistants to enhance visitor safety and experience while creating job opportunities for local youth. At a consultation with tourism stakeholders, Sangma discussed addressing recent law and order issues and highlighted new infrastructure and branding efforts. He also unveiled the autumn tourism calendar, including major events like the Shillong Literary Festival and Cherry Blossom Festival, and announced a partnership with Japan to feature a Japan zone at the Cherry Blossom Festival. The Meghalaya High Court, led by Justice Hamarsan Singh Thankyo, has accepted the decision of the writ petitioners to cancel the annual pilgrimage to Maujam Cave. The court directed the formation of a committee chaired by the Deputy Commissioner to address environmental, tourism and local concerns related to the cave. Legal counsel V.G.K. Kinta emphasized the committee's role in ensuring future safeguarding of the cave's environment and the interest of the community. Additionally, the court mandated 24-hour patrolling to prevent any incidents in and around the cave.
It is not that they have good road. Then the court also was pleased to direct that there should be a 24 hours police patrolling to see that no untoward incident occurs in and around the cave, and to avoid miscreants from doing anything.
The Health Department of Meghalaya is awaiting confirmation on a potential polio case involving a 2.5-year-old child from Tikri Kila, West Garo Hills. DHS, MCH and FW Dr. J.S. Momin reported that samples have been sent to testing centers in Kolkata and Mumbai. If confirmed positive, further tests will determine if the virus is a circulating strain or an isolated case. The Health Department, supported by WHO, will conduct community screening if necessary. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was 26.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 77%, while in the evening was 89%. 7.4 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Forecast: moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at most places. Well, viewers, that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, thank you for watching and good night.